Good morning.
Yum yum. Good morning. Ahead. But why do you wake up so late?
How late?
It's 12:20.
12:20? Oh, you didn't even say bye.
I'm sure she'll come back shortly.
Huh?
1, 2.
Karina! Huh?
You gotta see dogs? That.
Ah!
Kevin, get down!
What do you want, dog?
Yeah. Be nice, Kevin. Kevin's here! Don't worry, he's very protective while he stands in the pack.
This is my house and it's gonna stay that way.
Kevin!
What? It's true.
I'm sure you'll be best friends. Kevin, are you jealous?
No? Why would you think that?
Because you were so aggressive to Max.
Max? That's what we're calling him now?
Well, Karina calls him that.
I don't understand how you guys still trust him. There's something about him. He can snap at any moment.
Well, that's just silly.
It's not silly, it's smart. Don't you believe me, sister?